Connecting a new device on eToro is a straightforward process that ensures you can access your trading account securely. Follow these steps to quickly set up your new device. Step 1. Download the eToro app. Visit the App Store on your device, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS, and search for the eToro app. Download and install the application. Step 2. Open the app and log in. Once the app is installed, open it and enter your login credentials. Use the email and password associated with your eToro account to access your profile. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, navigate to the settings within the app and enable two-factor authentication to RFA. This will require you to enter code sent to your mobile device each time you log in. Step 5. Start trading. After successfully logging in and securing your account, you can now explore the app and start trading on your new device. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features available. By following these steps, you can quickly connect and secure your new device on eToro. Enjoy your trading experience.